Hi everybody, this is Ayush Fixer. Today we are discussing about his marketing techniques, business model, his services, his case studies, his profit, and about his founders and how Upstox started. As a quiet, good companies focus on the competition, great companies focus on the customer and market. So let's deep dive on Upstox, India's top stock broker. Upstox Limited is an Indian stockbroking company. The company headquarters is in New Delhi, India. The company offers online investments in stocks, derivatives, commodities, currencies, mutual funds, and ETFs for both professional traders and investors. Upstox has also ensured full transparency in pricing by offering zero brokerage on equity delivering trades and up to 20 rupees per order for intraday and those commodities and currencies. The company ensures that its client reap the benefits. It means company ensures that clients will get their services or not by their platform, and they deliver best class services every step as they want of the way from the time they open an account to executing financial services, because they focus on front end to back end to UI to UX of the clients of their customers. Let's discuss the products of Upstox. First, ProWeb. Second, ProMobile. Third, mutual funds. Fourth, developer. And fifth, Algo Labs. So let's deep dive in the establishment of Upstox. How Upstox is formed. Upstox Limited established in 2010. In 2012, the company became the first in the industry to launch unlimited trading plans at a fixed price. In 2016, the company RKSV raises a series round with Kalari Capital as contribution with Ratan Tata and GVK Davix to help accelerate technology rollout and operation, and big focus on mobile for users and powerful trading platform. The company continued to be driven by guiding principle of making trading in stock market simple. It makes very simple and in affordable for all. So let's discuss about founders. Who founded Upstox, the India's top stockbroking firm? Upstox Limited, founded by Ravi Kumar and Srini Viswanath. Ravi Kumar is an Indian businessman and the founder of the company. He did Bachelor's of Science in Information and Computer Science from the University of California, Irvine in 2006. Kumar founded Arcade Trading Partnership, and in 2010 he founded Upstox with his co-founder. Also, Srini Viswanath is an Indian businessman and one of the next co-founder of the company. So let's deep dive in the very important part of this video: how Upstox market their money and how to earn from Upstox per sign up thousands of rupee per sign up. If you do 100 sign up in a day, then you eligible to earn 10 lakh rupee. It will be hard, but it is possible. So let's discuss the marketing technique of Upstox. The company divides our firm as a 100% investment in marketing, but Upstox divides his marketing as a 40% invest on social media and media, but 60% invest on our consumers, people who install, who use the Upstox, as the why they give per sign up 1000 rupees. That's why, because they invest 60% of marketing in that portion, and this 60% give them a high return, high conversion rate, about 100% of 60% investment, and his 40% gives very least only. It will give us to branding portion. So let's deep dive how we earn from Upstox. It's true, you get 1000 rupees per sign up, but how? Or if you get 10 sign up in minimum लेके चलते हैं. If you get 10 sign up, you get 10,000 rupees in a day. If you get 10 sign up in a hour, you get 10,000 rupees in a hour. So the software is in the description, in a comment box. Go and check out to discuss how. Let's process and know everybody in this platform. This is about this, download this, but not give you a clear information to how to use this, how to download and how to earn. I will. So the software is in the description. This is our sincere, जो sincere है वही इसको करे. This is your sincere for. This is only for who have a PAN card and Aadhaar card. As if you are 18 plus or less than 18, you have Aadhaar card, PAN card. You make minor or major PAN card. If you have PAN card and Aadhaar card, then you are eligible to earn 1,000 rupees. And or also you are in share market, use your 1,000 rupees to invest on share market. You have no money, but Upstox give you money. So let's go on description. And now, because the offer is valid for 24 hours, so let's go and install now. If you are watching after 1 month, then also you have 24 hours. So go earn now and transfer to your banks and shop now, move now, fun now, make everything possible. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to make YouTube our happy and also me happy and you happy, because you earn lots of money. And if this video add any type of value on your life, on your professional life, economy, on your net worth, then make sure you hit the button to ensure your net worth double, your interest in double level. So make sure you subscribe button. Thank you. If you are a brand startup, then go link in description. Require Life Royal program for the Diwali best sales. Thank you.